Hello, YouTube, and welcome to Trading Cards of Awesomeness. Today we have 3 packages from Topps, from the Topps Now cards. One's my brother's, and the others are mine. I'm going to open his first, and you'll know what he got. Last time he got the Pujols, and it was number 225 purple parallel, which was sweet to get, because, you know, they only make a limited amount. And they're listed on the website under the archives of Topps Now. Topps knows how to package their stuff, but you can check out how many were made, and you'll know. I think I didn't open it right, so. Okay, we got it. They really made sure you got this good and packaged. Let me see what it says on the order form, just to make sure. They don't tell you if you got a parallel on your order form, so you just have to open the thing and look. It just says Yadier Molina, Topps 2022, MLB Topps Now, card number 343. Let me see what he got. Which way is this now? Let me go off camera because I can see. Okay, right here. I cannot see the flap. Oh, it's lower. Okay. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Did it differently to have to cut it. Now I'm trying to cut the thing inside, so. Let me see if I got it. I'm trying not to cut the holder for the thing, so. No, I'll be right back. Okay, this is how the presentation looks. It's Topps Now, available at Topps.com. These are good. They give you $10 and $9.99 in free shipping, so why not? He got the base, but it's the Yadi's card. It says records 14,865th put out, most in MLB history. I can open it real carefully. Check on it. Do it off camera so I don't damage the card. Now this one's a toughie today. Tell me and my brother are big Cardinal fans, so yeah. The backs always look nice with their seal of security Topps. And that's your card. Let me make sure I get this in right. And I am gonna put it in a team bag so it can be secure. Let me know what you think of Topps Now. Do you guys get them? There'll be 2 more to come for me, and we'll see what we get when we do it. Okay, we're back for the second part where I got 2 more to open. I'm gonna start with this one. I'm gonna pre-open both so we just get it done quicker. Come on, parallel. No whammy, no whammy, no whammy. Just base or parallel, but parallel, go. This one is the Yadier Molina for me. The same one, but let's see what I got. You're gonna have to open this because they did it differently, okay. Start. Okay, now we're gonna open and see what we get. They got this stuck in here right now, which kind of sucks. So it damaged the side and damaged this a little bit, but okay, anyway, it's okay. Let's see what we get with the Yadi. Oh! Is this numbered? Let me see my brother's. Because his looks a little bit different, I think, when I put his. No, I think it's the same. I might have to open it then if it's the same, but let's look. Yeah, it's the same. It's base. We both got a base Yadi. Nice. Now we're going to get a penny sleeve. We're going to get a team bag. We need one more out. Be ready. Okay, I'm going to put this in a team bag. I don't have to take it out of the thing because it's the same. Then we're going to open this one. I'll put this to the side. Alright, my mom's Yorkie dog likes packaging, so he wants my stuff, but it's not happening. So, shoe dog, shoe. This one is 2 cards in here. It is the Miles Michaelis 2022 MLB Topps Now card number 344 and Paul Goldschmidt 2022 MLB Topps Now card 345. I think they put 2 in here, right? Yeah, they did. So I have to put 1 in a top loader now. Okay. But Goldschmidt is hits 3 home runs and collects 8 RBIs in doubleheader. It's a base of the Goldschmidt. It's the base of the Goldschmidt. Now let's go see what the other one looks like. Because if it is a parallel, you would like to know. Okay. And it's a base of the Miles Michaelis. I would like a parallel, but hey, I still got them. Comes within 1 strike of no hitter versus Pirates. I seen part of that game. I seen up to 2 strikes, and then went over Bader. So yeah, that kind of saddens the thing, but okay, we're gonna put this in here. I'm gonna seal it. I'm gonna take this and put it here because I got a magnetic around here somewhere. And a 35-point magnetic. For my Miles Michaelis card. What do you guys think of Topps Now? I got some more coming and ordered and all that good stuff. So you see, it's gonna be okay. They're fun. They're unlimited. So I think why not, right? And I will put the print runs for the cards in the description below so you guys will know because they're on Topps.com under the Topps Now archives. I gotta close this first. Whoa. Wish they gave me an extra one of these, but for free shipping, you cannot actually be a complainer. And then this is what we got. We got card number, I don't know now card numbers, but you got the Yachty records 14,865 putouts, most in MLB history. We got the Goldschmidt, which is hits 3 home runs and collects 8 RBIs in doubleheader. And we got comes within 1 strike of no hitter versus Pirates for Miles Michaelis. Also, I got a Vladimir Guerrero Jr. coming. I got a Wander Franco on the Topps 100, and I might be. Oh, and I ordered Shohei Ohtani Topps now, and I'm going to check later for more stuff to order from Topps. Because why not? I like my Topps. I just like these cards. I think they're neat. So, really, 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 why not? I don't see nothing wrong with these. They're $10 free shipping. Shipping takes a little bit longer, but when you get a bunch at once, it's fun to open and see what you get. So let me know what you think about Topps Now and Topps 100 and everything else about Topps in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. And as always, enjoy the hobby, and hopefully you get something good. Bye.